Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's Power BI DAX tutorial, we are going to learn about the min function, one of the simplest yet most useful function in DAX. By the end of this video, you will know how to use it to find the smallest value in your data and where it can make your reports more insightful. The min function in DAX returns the smallest numerical value in a column or between two numbers. It's perfect for identifying the lowest sales, minimum scores, or the earliest dates in your data. The syntax is very straightforward. Here you can see min function and the column name. Let's say we have to find the smallest sales amount. Okay, let's say we have the sales table with a column called sales amount. We can write this measure like lowest sales is equal to minimum of sales amount. This is the table name, this is the column name. And this will give us the smallest sales transactions in our data set. Here it returned 100 and we can check that in the Excel. Here 100 is the minimum amount here, sales amount here. So it returned correct result, right? And second one is using the minimum with dates. If you have the order date in the column, like here in our Excel, we have the order date, right? So what we can write here is for order date, minimum or earliest order date is equal to minimum of sales of order date. Sales of means the table name and the column name. Minimum of order date. This will return the earliest date in your sales data. This is the minimum date that you can check here in the list. This is the minimum date here. It will return the minimum date. And common mistake that we do like is remember the column you use in min must be numeric or date type. Otherwise it won't work. And that's the main function in Power BI DAX. Simple, powerful, and incredibly useful for summaries and comparisons. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below telling me your favorite DAX function.